today we are talking about a topic celebrity safe, and this is the an exclusive interview to Ratna Sagar. Okay, and it is the second part of this chapter. So if you want to see the first part of this chapter, then you can go in the playlist of the YouTube, my YouTube channel, and get the first part of this chapter. Okay, so let's start, and we have to know its second part. So you can see in the previous you have to know that how the Sanjeev Kapoor have to travel their life and how he become a safe. Okay, so next question that asked by the Ratna Sagar. The question is, what is your favorite comments from your viewer after the achievement of the success in a Khana Khajana? He became very famous not only in India, and it also famous in other country. Okay, so after that getting the success, many of the viewer he has, and that they tried one of my recipe and it turned out great. Okay, it means here is the comment of the viewer. What they asked that they try one of recipe and it turned out great. Okay, it means the viewer of Sanjeev Kapoor also want a new kind of the recipe, and when he get the recipe, then it going on famous. Okay, now next question is, what is your comfort food who makes it at home? Okay, so the next question asked by the interviewer, the question is, what is your comfort food? It means you have to make it easy. Okay, so answer or reply by the Sanjeev Kapoor is, it has no be rajma chawal. Everybody in my house can make decent rajma chawal, but nothing come close to the way my mother make it. As they say it Hindi, maa ke haath ka khana. And food cooked by your mother is always the best, is not it. Okay, so in reply the Sanjeev Kapoor says that it has to be rajma chawal, and I think everyone know about the rajma chawal, and everybody in my home, it means Sanjeev Kapoor's home, can make decent rajma chawals, but nothing comes close to the way his mother's makes it. Okay, as they say in Hindi, maa ke haath ka khana. Okay, and food cooked by your mother is always the best, is not. So it is very simply he replied the question of the reporters. And the next question is, apart from Indian cousins, which cousins excited you most? Why? Apart from Indian questions. Okay, so here is, which cuisine excites you the most and why? The interviewer, it means the reporter, asking the question about the apart from the Indian cuisine. Cuisine means here is the food. Okay, cuisine means food, and which food excites you the most? Regional food. Reply of the interviewer, Sanjeev Kapoor says that regional food, no matter which part of the world I am in. As a part of my job, I travel a lot and have had the food fortune to eat food from across the globe. Wherever I go, I make sure I share the local regional delicacies of the place. I have had such great experience, it would be difficult to pick one among the gems that regional cuisines are. So here is a very difficult question for the Sanjeev Kapoor, and you have a choice. Every favorite of many of the things that was the favorite of you, and you have to if anyone telling to you to choose anyone, that is very difficult for you. So same as the Sanjeev Kapoor also have a such type of the troubles. He faced such type of the troubles when he going to the any other country, okay, in the world, any places in the world, then he also use the regional food, no matter which part of the world he is, okay. It is no region, wherever he go, then he also take only regional food. As a part of his job, he traveled many of the countries, many of the places, and he had the good fortune to eat food from across the globe. It means he eats many variety of the foods, many variety of the dishes in the world, and wherever he go, he make sure he show the local and regional delicacies of the place, and he have had such a great experiences, it would be difficult to pick one among the gems that regional cuisines are, okay. It means wherever he go in the world and he eats local food, but it is very difficult to select only one food is a favorite for him, okay. Now next question is, what do you feel about TV cooking contest, especially the one for children, okay. The next question asked by the reporter asked the question is, what do you feel about TV cooking, okay. You know very well about many of the TV show will appears or display on the TV contest, and especially the ones for the children, and that was the related to the children. The reply of the Sanjeev Kapoor that is that kids today are a powerhouse of talent, and that talent needs to be nurtured, okay. Nurtured means encourage, okay. Nurtured means encourage, while competition bring out the competitive spirit in kids, and we must keep in mind that they are still children. Cooking competition for kids must be designed to make sure that they have a good time and enjoy the process. So if you decide to participate in a cooking contest, you give it your all, but make sure that you have a great time, okay. So in this paragraph, Sanjeev Kapoor saying that if the nowadays kids have a powerhouse, okay, powerhouse of talent, it means the children have a lot of the talent, okay. He is not special in one, it means they are multi-talented nowadays, okay. And the talent need to be nurtured, okay. Nurtured means to encourage. It means if you have a quality, if you have a talent, then if someone gave you feedback, then you have to making better than before, okay. While the competition bring out the competitive spirit in kids, and we must keep in mind that they are still children. Cooking competition for the kid must be designed to make sure that they have a good time and enjoy the process, okay. Every moment, if the children is taking participate in any kind of the competition, that is very necessary that they were enjoyed it, okay. And if they take it as a seriously, that is not a courageful for him, okay. So if you decide to participate in a cooking contest, give it your all, and when you participate in any contest, so you have to prepare it and also know every part of the competition, okay. And but make sure you have a great time, and think about that time will be your great time, and it is the growing up your skills and making you as a talentful, okay. Now next question is, what would you advise today's children about food and eating habits? Now it is very important question to asking by the reporters, and question is, what would you advise today's children, okay. It means give your opinion, today's children, it means nowadays many of the children, then give your opinion about the food and eating habits. Eat the rainbow, include colorful food on your plates. It took nice tastes great and adds plenty of nutrients. The sooner you develop healthy eating habits in your life, the better. The best advice I can give to parents is to ask them to lead by example. Okay, here is the Sanjeev Kapoor telling an example of the food as a rainbow. Okay, eat the rainbow, including colorful food on your plates. Okay, if the many variety of the food in your plates, it took nice and it looks nice. Okay, if in front of you have to look a plates and there are decorate many kind of the foods and it looks nice and it is tasty and great and adds plenty of nutrients, and it also include many of the nutrients in these foods. The sooner you develop healthy eating habits in your life, okay, then you start to eating a healthy foods. Okay, and the best advice I can give, and the Sanjeev Kapoor advice to the parents, that you have to give a food that will be a nutrients food. Okay, nutrients food, and it looks a colorful food, it means variety of the foods. Okay, what would you tell the children who want to take up hotel management or cooking as a career? Next question is asking by the reporter. He telling to the Sanjeev Kapoor that he gave the suggestion, if any children or the youth want to take up the hotel management or cooking as a career. Reply of the Sanjeev Kapoor is, working in a professional kitchen is not easy but extremely satisfied if you love cooking. You will have a challenge through at your almost every single day, and the best way to handle that is with hard work and a smile on your face. Follow your dreams and believe yourself. Okay, so Sanjeev Kapoor telling to the children or youth that working a professional kitchen or become a chef is not easy. Okay, become a chef is not easy. It is extremely satisfied if you love cooking. When you have to make your career in a as a chef or a hotel management, then you first one thing that is very important, to love cooking. You will have a challenge through at your almost every single day. It is not a easy day. Every single day is challenge for you to make, to learn, to do your best. Okay, and the best way to handle that is with hard work. And how can you get the best? When you doing hard work, that is the get best. You get the best work and a smile on your face, and when you learn it, then also feel the happiness and make the smile on your face. Follow your dreams and believe in yourself. And if you look a dream, if you want to complete your dream, okay, so keep faith in your dream and believe yourself. The world is your oyster. Okay, the world is your oyster means there are unlimited opportunity. It means you have a lot of the way to get and to succeed in your life, to get your dreams. Okay, so I hope you all understand this second part of the chapter. We have to meet in the next video. Thank you for the watching.